Namaste everyone. Welcome to IKM. In this video, we will see the meaning of Sankshepa Ramayanam from sloka number 81. Tena gatva purim lankam hatva ravanamahave ramasita manuprapya param vridamupagamat. Reaching the city of Lanka by the bridge built by Nala and Neela, Rama killed Ravana and rescued Sita, but he felt very ashamed. Tamuvacha tato Ramaha Parusham Janasamsadi Amrishyamana sa Sita Viveshajvalanam Sati. He told Sita very hard words in front of the assembly of men, and Sita, unable to tolerate these words, and jumped into the fire. Tatognivacanat Sitam Nyatva Bigata Kalmasham Babhau Ramas Samprahrishtaha Pujitas Sarvadaivataihi. At the time, knowing from the god of fire that Sita is without any blemish, Rama was being worshipped by all the devas and he became very happy. Karmana tena mahata Trailokyam sacharacharam Sadevarshi ganam tushtam Raghavasya mahatmanah. By this great action of Raghava, all the three worlds, including movable and immovable beings, devas, sages, and all others, become very happy. Abhishitya chalankayam Rakshasendram Vibhishanam Kritakrityastada Ramo Vijvarah Pramumodaha. Wonders of wonders, Rama without any worry and filled with happiness, and he was very much become contented after installing Vibhishana as the king of Rakshasa and thus completing his duties. Devatabhyo varam prapya samuthapya cha vanaran ayodhyam prasthito Ramaha pushpakena suhridvritaha. After giving life to all monkeys by the boon of Devas, Rama, surrounded by all his friends, started towards Ayodhya in the Pushpaka Vimana. Bharadvajashramam gatva Rama Satyaparākramaha Bharatasyantike Ramo Hanumantam Vyasarjayat. After reaching the hermitage of sage Bharadwaja, Sri Rama, who was truly valorous, sent Hanuman to Bharata, that is, the place Nandigrama. Punarakyayikam jalpan Sugrivasahitastada Pushpakam tat samaruhya Nandigramam yayau tada. Then, along with Sugriva, conversing about all the stories of the past, Rama traveled in the Pushpaka Vimana and reached Nandigrama. Nandigrame jatam hitva bhratrubhis sahito nagaha Ramasita manuprapya rajyam punaravaptavan. The holy Rama, along with his brothers, removed the jata, that is the matted hair, and with Sita, and assumed the worship of the kingship, and he became the king. प्रहृष्टो मुदितो लोकः तुष्टः पुष्टः सुधार्मिकः निरामयो ह्यरोगश्च दुर्भिक्षभयवर्जितः. The people of Ayodhya become filled with happiness and satisfaction and were looked after very well in the Ramarajya, and they were devoid of any diseases. They were very healthy and were devoid of any fear and scarcity in the entire Ayodhya.